Hello students, let us understand census and sampling. What is census and what is sampling? Statistical data can be collected either by census enquiry or by sample enquiry. A census enquiry is that in which all the items constituting the population are observed, studied, and conclusions are drawn therefrom. On the other hand, in a sample enquiry, only a part of the population is studied, observed, and from the result obtained by studying the sample, conclusions are drawn from the whole population. So, this is the way of studying sample enquiry. In census enquiry, directly we go to the population, we observed or examine each element of the population and we draw conclusion about the population. But in sampling, that is also called sample enquiry, here we examine only a part of the population, that is called sample. We examine the sample and then we draw conclusion about the whole population. So, this is the way of doing sample enquiry and this is the way of doing census enquiry. Census means complete enumeration, that means we examine each and every element of the population, but here we only examine few elements and then we are drawing conclusion about the whole population. Okay. That means actually why we need this sample enquiry, because in some cases we can't go for complete enumeration. Okay, this is the only way. Sampling is the or sample enquiry is the only way. I am giving some example to you. First one is what your mother does now when she cook rice in a pan. What she does, she take few grains from this pan and check whether it is cooked or not. Okay, and then that means by checking the sample she draw conclusion about the whole population. And here we can't go for complete enumeration, because if we go for complete enumeration, the complete food will be spoiled. So, hope you understand why we need sample enquiry. In some cases we can't go for complete enumeration or census enquiry, so we need sample enquiry. Another example is blood test. In blood test also what pathology does, he take few drops of blood from your body and then he draw conclusion about the blood of the whole body. Okay, that means here also we can't go for complete enumeration, we can't take out all the blood from the body. Na? So, this is also an example of sampling enquiry. So, in our day-to-day life we use this sampling method or sample enquiry, but we do not know that we are using this statistical tool. Okay. So, many examples are there. You can try to find this sample enquiry in your day-to-day life. Okay, and give the examples yourself for census and sampling enquiry. Okay, hope it is clear. Thank you.